Hey everyone! Welcome back to your go-to channel for the latest reviews on tech and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into a timeless classic quite literally. The Pagani Design 2023 Moon Quartz Watch. This watch combines retro elegance with cutting-edge craftsmanship. Let's find out why it's worth your attention. The Pagani Design Moon Quartz watch is inspired by the sophistication of space exploration and retro design. It features AVK60 for chronograph quartz movement, ensuring precision and reliability. The sporty yet elegant aesthetic makes it perfect for daily wear or formal occasions. This watch strikes a perfect balance between functionality and style, making it a great companion whether you're at a business, meeting, or a casual outing. One of the standout features is the AR Sapphire crystal, which is highly scratch-resistant and provides excellent clarity, even under direct sunlight. Another impressive detail is the luminous hands and markers, which glow brightly in the dark, ensuring readability at all times. And yes, it's waterproof up to 100 meters. So whether you're caught in the rain or diving into the pool, this watch has you covered. The watch features a robust stainless steel case and bracelet, giving it a premium look and feel. The retro design, with its clean chronograph dial, pays homage to vintage timepieces while staying contemporary. It's also incredibly comfortable to wear, thanks to its well-engineered strap and lightweight design. It fits snugly on the wrist without feeling bulky. The VK60 for chronograph movement is not just precise, but also easy to operate. The stopwatch feature is practical for timing tasks or workouts. Considering its premium build and features, the Pagani Design 2023 Moon Quartz watch offers incredible value. It's like owning a luxury watch without the luxury price tag. So, is the Pagani Design 2023 Moon Quartz watch worth it? Absolutely. It combines style, durability, and performance at an unbeatable price point. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or just looking for a stylish timepiece, this one's a winner. If you're interested in grabbing one, check out the link in the description below and let us know in the comments what's your favorite feature of this watch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. This signing off. Stay stylish, stay tech savvy.